Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S10 Plus. I want to shout out Otterbox for sending their Symmetry case to me for review. I've been getting a lot of requests to review this case. I reached out to them and it was actually nice enough to send it to me. In this video, you know I'm going to test out the fit. We want to see if everything lines up. How does the volume rockers feel? And also the power button. We will test out and see if it wireless charges, and we'll see if you can power share with another phone with the case on. But let's get into this video. Nice little presentation from them. Bam. Symmetry. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Otterbox.com. I like the little presentation though. Let's put this on the side. Bam. You got some Otterbox brand in there. You have your volume rockers and your Bixby button. Also some brand in there, Otterbox, right by the power button. The back is definitely a hard plastic, but you have this grippy feel to it. Looks really good. Let's see how this bad boy fits. Really snug. Alright, so the first thing we check, lip action. Yes, you do. You place your display down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful 6.4 inch display. Also on the back, you do have protection for your camera. Look at that camera protection. Bam. Look at that case. It just feels so good right there. Not gonna lie. Does the cutouts line up? Yes, they do. The microphone at the top. The power button feels great. The volume rockers definitely work. The Bixby button works. Yes, it does. Man. Look at that. You even have a little cutout for the earpiece at the top. Now in this case is like your everyday, I'm just going out to party or hang out with friends. The Otterbox Defender Pro is a case that you're going to do if you're going hiking, if you work in construction, but this is like your everyday case. I might have to rock with this one for a couple days. Bam. Now let's test out the fit. Let's see how it fits. The bottom is a little loose there, but the sides fit great. I mean, there's no room, no wiggle there, but the bottom is a little loose. Is that a major problem? I don't think so, because it fits really good though. Let's test out and see if you can wireless charge. The answer is yes, you can definitely do so. The next thing we want to test out, we'll see if you can power share. I have my lucky G7, which is dead. There you go, the little charging symbol came up. So you can charge other phones with your case on, which is great. You don't have to worry about taking it off. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the link in the description. That way you can definitely pick it up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Please don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. We're out of here. You have a great day now.